If you want to know how to enable and disable the Chrome PDF Viewer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simple steps to turn the built-in PDF Viewer on or off in Google Chrome, so you can choose whether PDFs open directly in the browser or download to your computer instead. This is a quick but useful setting, especially if you work with a lot of PDFs and want more control over how Chrome handles them. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Now let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three vertical dots menu icon. This is where Chrome keeps most of its settings and tools. From the menu, click Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see a sidebar on the left. Click Privacy and Security. This section controls a lot of the browser's security and site behavior options. After that, click Site Settings. This is where Chrome lets you manage permissions and content settings for different file types and website features. Now scroll down until you reach the Content section. Here, click Additional Content Settings to expand the menu. You should now see more advanced content options appear. From this list, click PDF Documents. At this point, Chrome will show you the PDF handling options. If you want to enable the Chrome PDF Viewer, select Open PDFs in Chrome. This means when you click on a PDF file, it will open directly inside the browser instead of downloading. If you want to disable the Chrome PDF Viewer, select Download PDFs. This tells Chrome to download PDF files to your device instead of opening them in the browser. This is helpful if you prefer using a separate PDF app or want to keep local copies automatically. And that's it. Once you choose your preferred option, Chrome will apply the setting right away. You can come back here anytime if you want to switch it again. So whether you want faster in-browser viewing or automatic downloads, you now know exactly how to control the Chrome PDF Viewer. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and it lets me bring you more simple tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.